Hello everyone, this tutorial is about the transmission of pathogens between animals. So, you guys are going to learn how communicable pathogens spread from one person to another. There are two main types of transmission between animals. The first one is the direct transmission, and the second one is the indirect transmission. We are going to begin with the direct transmission. Direct transmission is actually divided into three categories: the direct contact, inoculation, and ingestion. Direct contact occurs when you touch the body fluids of an infected person, for example, kissing. Moreover, it occurs during the direct skin-to-skin contact. Also, it occurs when microorganisms from feces are transmitted on the hands. This includes the diarrheal diseases. Secondly, inoculation takes place when the pathogen ruptures and enters from your skin to your blood through any wound or break in the skin. Moreover, it occurs during an animal bite. Thirdly, ingestion takes place when a person ingests a contaminated food or drink, or when the person transfers pathogens to the mouth from the hand. On the other hand, pathogens can also spread from an individual to another indirectly. So indirect transmission is also divided into three categories, and it includes fomites, droplet infection, and vectors. In fomites, the pathogen is transmitted when the person touches an inanimate object, and this includes the cosmetics, which can transfer pathogens from an infected person to a healthy person. Moreover, the droplet infection takes place when droplets of saliva or mucus are expelled from your mouth as you talk, cough, or sneeze. And this includes the two common diseases, influenza and tuberculosis. Finally, pathogens can also be transmitted indirectly by vectors. A vector transmits communicable pathogens from one host to another. Vectors include animals such as mosquitoes, dogs, and bats. Moreover, vectors are not necessarily animals, because water also can transmit diseases.